Hi guys, this is Kelly McQuinney here. I was asked to see if there was a way that we could embed slides to show up live as we create them in our Moodle classes. So I figured it out because it's a lot like how we do them for our Michigan virtual classes. So up here I've got my edit on. I'm going to come down and pick where I want them to be. So you can pick wherever you want. It's just got to have this add an activity or resource button. And I'm going to click that. Scroll down to where it says label, and we're going to click this blue button here, and then it's going to create a little box here where I'm going to be able to embed it. So I need some more advanced options, so I'm going to click on this arrow. I'm going to click on this HTML because we're going to pull an HTML code from our announcements and put it there. So now I'm going to switch over to my announcements that I've created. These are fake ones, but I go to File, and then I go to Publish to the Web, and we need to click on Embed because we want to embed a code that'll put it up there live anytime we make changes. So I'm going to highlight all of that, right-click, and copy. I'm going to come back to my Moodle page, and I'm going to right-click again and paste. And then there's that big long code. Now if I click on this HTML button again, it'll show me if it worked. So there are my announcements. So I'm going to save and return to class. Let's see what it looks like. And then there are my announcements. And you can see right here, they can scroll through. By clicking these arrows, that'll scroll through all the ones that I have in that slide presentation. Now, what it'll do as a default is no matter which one I have at the very top, so this one I have week 3 at the top, that's always going to be the one that's going to show up first when they log into Moodle. So as you're creating your slides, the older ones will start moving down to the bottom. You're going to have to slide your whichever one you want on top up to the top. So if you look right now, let's say I move this one up to the top. Now I've got week 1 at the top. If I come over here and I refresh, there we go. And now see, week 1 shows up first. So anytime you make any changes in this Google slide presentation, since we've embedded it, it'll automatically change on your announcements. And that way you can kind of keep your students up to date. You can move it wherever you want it. If you want it to be like right underneath your introduction so they can always see the updated announcements, that'll work. All right, let me know if you have any questions.